On this episode of Marty's Motorized Mayhem, we bring you footage from Sunday, March 6th.
Here, it's +1 outside still, but the snow's coming down. We had a lot of rain today here in town, but supposed to get 2 to 4 centimeters overnight, and we'll see how much riding we can do tomorrow. But there's a lot of rain today, so a lot of snow's gone down, and it's all icy on the roads and stuff like that. So yeah, there were some bad accidents on the roads tonight in town. So yeah, we'll see what it's like in a few hours when we get up.
Well, it's Sunday morning here. We just stopped to get some gas, and you can't pay credit. She's iced up, son of a gun. But yeah, roads are snow covered. Got more than that 4 centimeters. So roads are pretty well messy.
Well, it's Sunday afternoon here. I'm on the Grand Touring. No one's been down these trails, so we're going to go out and enjoy. There's over 5 centimeters here in the last couple of days on top, so a lot of snow on top here. So let's go for a ride.
Well, it's time to shovel off the roof. That's how much snow we got in all winter. So we'll shovel her off.